Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing here in the Twin Cities and beyond. Today I'm starting a little series. It's going to last about 4 weeks, and we're just talking about the major players or pillars in organizing. And the first one I want to talk about is sorting and categorizing. So that's the first thing we always do, no matter where we are, what kind of project we're at. We always start by sorting and categorizing. This is great because it allows us to visualize, it allows us to see all of the things that we're working with. Once we gather things and we sort them into like categories, it's so much easier to do decision making, like what do I want to keep? What haven't I used in many years? How did I get 250 of this one item? All of these things that potentially could be really hard to do if things weren't sorted and categorized, we make that infinitely easier. So this is one area where I really want you to focus on when you are practicing organizing on your own. I want you to really think about sorting and categorizing, and just broadly. Like, you don't need to make sure everything is, micro organized by color or design, but just broad categories. It's going to allow you to make a giant mess of things because it's going to be an organized mess of chaos, but you're going to be able to see all of your items, whether that's clothing, sorting and categorizing clothing, whether it's a garage, maybe you're pulling different types of things such as garden supplies or car supplies or kids' toys, but separating everything and creating clear, distinct categories. So that is the skill that we work on all the time. We are trying to be the best organizers in the entire, country, world. And so we really hone in on all of our techniques. And that is one area where we really, really try to excel, is in our sorting and categorizing standards. So I encourage you to do the same and really focus on that and see how much more improvement you can make as you're organizing your rooms by following a very, rigid sorting and categorizing part of the organizing journey. So stay tuned. Next week, I'm going to tell you about the next part of the organizing journey that's also very important, and you are not going to want to miss it. And it will also enhance your organizing as you're going along throughout your home. See you next time.